Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify map rendering with Google Maps SDK performance, beginner guide step by step clearly. To verify map rendering with the Google Maps SDK, start by setting up your development environment. Ensure you have the Google Maps SDK integrated into your project. Open your project in your preferred development environment. Begin by creating a new map activity. Add the necessary permissions in your project manifest. Include the required dependencies for the Google Maps SDK in your build.gradle file. Next, initialize the Google Maps API key in your application. In your map activity, implement the onMapReady callback interface. Override the onMapReady method to start rendering the map. Set up the map's camera position to your desired location. Add markers to the map to visualize specific points of interest. To assess performance, enable the built-in performance monitoring tools in the Google Maps SDK. Make sure to check for any rendering or interaction lags. Observe the map interaction responsiveness as you pan and zoom. Document any noticeable delays in rendering during your testing. Collect data on the performance metrics from the monitoring tools. If performance issues arise, consider optimizing your markers and overlays. Test on various devices to ensure consistent performance across different hardware. Review user feedback to identify any potential issues in map rendering. Finally, iterate on your implementation based on the performance observations and user feedback. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.